Hello, in today's class, we are going to discuss about iframe. What is iframe? An iframe tag is used to embed another document within the HTML document. We can use an iframe to display our website in our website. So let me quickly show you what an iframe is. Iframe. So now by default, iframe has two attributes. Number one attribute is the source and the frame border. So now let's discuss about the source. So the source is where the image or whatsoever we want to embed is coming from. So now, for example, I want to use this current tutorial I'm making. I've started this tutorial for a while now. So this is the tutorial from the beginning. Now you see headings, welcome to our free tutorial, our program, blah, 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 blah. Now I want to display this in the iframe. I want to display all this you are looking here now in the iframe. Now check what I'm going to do. So I'm just going to, the source will be our main file, that is the index.html, which we are working on. So let me just make use of this. Now you see we have it here. This is our iframe. The heading, you see, welcome to our free tutorial. You see, I'm having it here, as you can see. So this is our full website in our iframe. So the iframe is just simply for, let me say, like you want to display a website in a website, or you want to embed, if you want to embed some other thing on your website, you can also use iframe. Let me just say our website, our website is being embedded. You see, our website is being embedded here. So you see, so this is what we use iframe for. So that's how you can use iframe. So you can also use it for some other thing. Let me check. Can use it for iframe. Let me see, iframe source. So let me use our images. Okay. Now let me see how far. So you see, we have been able to embed one of our image here. It's a very large image. So you see, you understand. So just in a particular section. So this border frame. Now let me increase the border frame. Let me say 5. Yeah, you can see. I just increased the border frame. Now you see how it looks like. You see, now it looks like, so that is how we can make use of iframe in HTML. How we can make use of iframe in HTML. So thank you. I hope it helps you.